Okie doke. It is Monday, and outside we have 86 degrees. That's the Madisonville reading at 240. And right now it's about 252. So 86. Let's go take a look. There's our 252. And then we go over here to the in command. And on our HVAC in the bedroom, we're set at 75. I think I'm gonna bump that down. I want to see how constant it's running. But in the main living, for the last what did we say, 252, so 3 o'clock, for the last 4 or 5 hours I've had this set. Air conditioning runs constantly. It's 84 degrees right here at the thermostat, you know, so this thermostat is kind of head high, but we're at 84 and it's not going to come down, period. It's just absolutely not capable of pulling this down. But what I found out today is that it is apparently not the air conditioner's fault. It's the unit. And I will demonstrate that with a video on thermal imaging.